Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes, art challenges to try in your own style. Today I am making a paper folding surprise umbrella. And for this art challenge you will need a sheet of paper, a pencil, a black marker, a ruler or straight edge, and any other drawing supplies of your choice. I begin by folding my sheet of paper in half the tall ways like this. Next, I will fold the bottom half of the paper in half once again. These folds are really important for the paper folding surprise, so watch carefully and feel free to pause and rewind until you get it. Next, I begin drawing my umbrella on the folded paper. On the top half of my paper, I draw a big curved line like a rainbow. I then add a straight line down the middle with two curved lines on the right and on the left. As well, I draw a smaller oval on the top of the umbrella. Just above the middle crease, I draw four smaller curved lines to make the bottom shape of the umbrella. And now I can begin to draw the umbrella's handle with curved lines in the shape of the letter J like that. To finish the overall shape of the umbrella, I open up the folded paper completely, and I use my ruler to help me connect the top of the umbrella with the handle at the bottom using just two straight lines. Now my umbrella seems to magically grow and shrink as I fold and refold the paper. If you are trying this art challenge in your own style, I encourage you to think about ways you can make your umbrella unique. Feel free to use different shapes if that works better for your idea. The next step in this challenge is to add color and details to the umbrella and the space around it. You can decide what you are going to hide in the folded part of the center of your sheet of paper. I chose to hide 6 happy flowers in the middle. In my paper folding surprise, you can see how April showers bring May flowers. What might you hide in your paper folding surprise umbrella when you try this in your own style? I do hope you try this art challenge in your own style. Remember when you do that you can draw a unique umbrella with an exciting surprise on the paper. Try your best and remember that yours can be a doodle or it can be a masterpiece. Either way, happy making artists. Enjoy.